surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love.
Exclusive.
When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's left in doubt, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe in.
Go.
Ayos lang. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit lagi akong online. Makita ang larawan mo sa FB, grabe I'm fine. At tinutulak ako ng puso kong gusto ng sign. Kasi di ka mawala sa aking isipan.